Welcome back to our channel. All curly girls and boys, you will love today's video. I take you on my at-home wash day journey, detangle process, share all products used and the results. Yeah, I know you can see this. My hair is not looking the best. I had just cut it. I wanted that curl pop look. If you watched my hair journey, you're familiar. I also colored it and it damaged my hair. So if you've got curly hair or colored hair, this video is for you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Smash that notification bell for videos just like this one. Let's get into it. Step 1, detangle process. Ouch! I know this can hurt sometimes, but I'm here to show you how it doesn't have to be so bad. Keep watching till the end. As you can see here, I rotate between my fingers and using a wide tooth comb. I detangle in sections to make it easier and more precise. It's important to hold your hair tight and then comb underneath. I know it looks like I'm being rough, but the video has been sped up, so please take that into consideration. You definitely do not want to just pull your hair from root to end. You want to hold it tight and then comb underneath so you're not losing as much hair. Especially when I am detangling, I love to use ouchless scrunchies. It doesn't rip out your hair as much. I find it so much more effective to detangle your hair before washing and conditioning. So as you can see here, I am just going through the sections, splitting it up with my fingers, and then combing through from root to end with a firm hold. My hair had definitely changed in texture after the color. I knew I wanted to cut my hair, but that was the whole point. My hair was just super long and beautiful, don't get me wrong, but it was just long and I wanted a change. I wanted a curl pop look and I wanted color. But what I didn't realize is just how much my hair texture would change and it would be getting used to it all over again. I just colored it at the point of this video, so due to the blonde, it was definitely dry, as you can see. And I realized I can't leave my hair entangled for more than one day. It's best to comb through your hair on a daily basis using leave-in conditioner and various products. Finally, I am all detangled and I can get into the products I use to create that bouncy, healthy curl. At this point, I'm already out of the shower. I have washed and conditioned my hair. I usually shampoo my hair first and then condition it. I leave the conditioner in for about 30 minutes before rinsing. So here I am combing my hair through with the conditioner in it. This is a part of the 30-minute process of leaving the conditioner in before rinsing. So we've already detangled our hair with our fingers, separated, combed it through with the wide tooth comb, shampooed, and conditioned. So this is the next step before the final step. And as you can see, it's much easier to comb through now that it's already detangled for the second time. Now that my hair is towel dried, it's still slightly damp, but it is time to add in our mask. The mask I chose to use this day is called Olaplex Hair Perfection. It's actually white in color. It looks blue because my hairstylist actually added a special product in there just for colored hair. But you can use it as is for colored hair and it works wonders. So you want to work the mask from root to end. You want to part your hair so you can really get in there and you don't miss anything. Especially with curly hair, the middle of the back of your head always clumps up. If you can relate, go ahead and leave that in the comments. So you just want to work it from the root to the end. Don't have a specific amount of hair mask to tell you to use. You just want to eyeball it. The longer your hair, you'll definitely need a little bit more, but it may look like I'm finishing the bottle, but I actually had a lot left even after using the amounts that I did. As you can see, I'm just twirling the mask into the hair as much as I can, and I use about a quarter size amount each time that I squeeze it into my hand, and I work every section. My intention was to make sure that after washing out my mask on my hair was going to be silky smooth like I am used to. Deep condition with a hair mask once a week, even if you don't wash and condition.
Live it.